Puppet, and this is how to draw an old school crossing banner. Enjoy.
Right, people, how to do an in memory of tattoo. So this one's going to be like a big cross with a nice banner for it. You know, it can be a memory of anyone. And this one's going to be done on the iPad Pro in Procreate. I'm going to have 4 layers as usual. So sketching, line work, shading, colour. Going to start with the sketching. So select sketching tool, technical pencil, and I'm going to go dark red with this. Oh, excuse me. Oh, I better not be getting that coronavirus. So I'm going to start off with 2 parallel lines coming down. And sketch some lines across. And the same angle you got these, you want to have this one going across here. So kind of like a rectangle one way, rectangle the other way. Going to extend this down just a touch, so it's got a bit more length to it. And then on the sides, we're going to bring this line coming down, and then mimic that side line. So you're basically just copying what was above, just making it a bit lower. This is just making it a bit 3D, so it's just giving it that little box shape. Just make sure all these kind of side lines are facing pretty much the same direction. Now, it doesn't matter if they're not 100% perfect, but you generally want them to face them roughly the same way. Now on the inside, you basically want to copy the cross shape. Just come around like so, all the way around on that inside cross part. Voila. Now we're going to put a banner in it. So this banner we're going to do like a nice big curve shape, curving down and curving around. Nice and curvy. And then we're going to bring a second line curving off of this, creating the banner. So you want to try and keep this rough inside distance about the same. And only once you sort of kind of connect up to the side do you want to sort of get closer to the other line. So I have that there, and then I'm going to have this little curve at the top, this little curve at the bottom. Right, so I'm going to go line work, black, I'm going to go inking, and I'm going to select Studio Pen. Now it's nice and bold. So I'm just going to go over all that line work now in the pen and neaten it all up. On the iPad Pro, if you draw and hold it, it makes like a straight line for you. I know it's a bit of a cheat, but it's literally the same thing as you was doing on paper. You could just use a ruler. Or if you want to just go ahead and just sketch it normally, you can do. I mean, there's nothing wrong with that. I mean, it's not too hard to do a straight line. Says the man doing a really wonky one. I've done that on purpose, I promise. It's funny, I think I actually find it easier to tattoo a straight line than I do draw it these days. I wonder if that's the same for every tattooist. Sorry if you can hear the background toys. My little boy is attempting to use the toilet by the sounds of it. Coronavirus has got us all indoors, so I'm having to do this from home. Nice to be doing it at home, but you're going to have to deal with the occasional sound effect from the background, unfortunately. Turn around this way. Just getting a nice curvy banner shape in there. And then these bits, I'm going to curve these out. I'm going to curve back in, and for a little extra detail, I'm going to create this little curve just on the inside part. So I'm going to create curve up, curve down, curved in, as if there's like a little sort of circular cutout on the banner. So getting there now. So let's get this inside part here done. There you go, I think that's the main outline for the body bit done. What I'm going to do is just shrink this line down a touch. And I'm going to do these dots on the inside part of this. To start with, I'm going to do a dot at each of the corners because I want to make sure the corners match up nicely. Right. And yeah, just going up, spacing them out roughly about the same distance. Hasn't got to be perfect, but just try and get them roughly around the same kind of size and distance apart. There we go. Turn off the sketching tool. So you can see how it looks. Now we're going to go shading. Now I'm going to set the line work. So click on line work, select reference. What that's going to do is when we select the selection tool at the top, it's now going to select inside all those areas. And I'm going to select spray paint tool, medium nozzle, get it a fair size. So I'm going to start off with the inside bit here. So I'm going to do black. I'm going to basically go around, and I'm just going to leave a little white edge just where the banner bit is, just like around there. And then these box bits down the bottom, I'm going to select each one individually. I'm just going to shade from the left hand side across for each one of them. Like so. And then select these little parts, the inside part of the banner, and just a little bit of shade just around the area that isn't touching the cross. These outside bits, a little bit of black just in the tips of them. And now I'm going to go colour. I'm going to select this part here. Going to make this nice golden yellow. I'm going to select the background now. I'm going to select red. I basically want a nice red circular bit in the background like that. Now I'm going to select the banner. I'm going to go for this kind of sort of like parchment-y kind of colour. And then I'm going to select white and just line up the inside part of that. Just there. I'm going to go black again, inking. Go along working. This is where you can write whatever you want on the middle. You could have like a name, mum, dad, nan, gran, whatever you want. Yeah, I mean, I'm not going to put any specific names, so I'm just going to put bit thicker actually. In. In memory, which has gone way to the side. That's what happens when you don't measure out your letters. No, that's going to bug me. I've got to do it again. Sorry, people. Alright. I'm going to put my sketching layer back on. Just going to move this probably over 2 seconds. Alright. Let's just sketch it in place so I get it right this time. And memory, yeah, looks about right. Start there. Start there. So yeah, just basically sketching it in so I get the letters roughly in the right space this time. Inking. Right. That's still not perfect, but it's better. But yeah, that's how you do a nice in memory of tattoo. I hope you like it. Check my videos, comment, like, subscribe, yada yada yada. Don't mind too much about my lettering. And I'll see you next time. Peace.